It's my birthday. Yeah, I made it. I didn't know if I was going to make it or not because I'm not feeling good. I'm 56 years old today. Is that old? Is that young? I don't know. All I know is I made it another year. Yeah. And I'm stuck at home because I don't feel good. I'm trying to heal. That's right. Anyway, I'm just drinking coffee. Been up for about an hour or so. Let's don't talk about my problems, but I got a rat today. He's sitting over here. Yeah, I'll play with him in a little while. But, yeah. Isn't that awesome? I've already checked the stock market. We're gonna make more money today. Hallelujah! Love it. Love it. So I invested in a bunch of stuff in November last year. I said, you know, I got all this money sitting there. I need to do some stuff with it. One of them is a COVID-19 pill that's going to help America. That sucker's going awesome. VXRT. Yeah, check it out. That sucker's gonna run. And Papa's making money off of it. Anyway, I'm faking being happy now because it's my birthday. Yeah, but don't forget, tomorrow I got a video coming out of a review and a giveaway on a headlamp box. Vont. See, I said it's VXRT, and I'm so Vont. Have a blast. That'll be a 10% off on any item coming out tomorrow. Probably about 1 o'clock. I smell something. It's not Papa. Anyway, as bad as I feel, have a fantastic day. I'm old. Yeah. Is Papa, Texas. See y'all. Hit that dinner bell. You never know when Papa's gonna put a video out. Well, nowadays you do. I'm scheduled Sundays and Wednesdays. Unless I throw a video out like this every once in a while. Yeah. See y'all.